Oh, hey, how's it going? Just got this Amazon package delivered, and it's kind of weird and interesting what I just ordered. I'm gonna go back inside and open it up, and I'll tell you more about it. All right, let's open it up and see what we got here. In case you aren't quite sure what this is what you call a beard bib. That's right, a beard bib. And it's pretty much what it sounds like. It's a bib that you wear for when shaving your beard. Oh yeah. So I told you it was a bit on the weird side. It's actually a lot bigger than I expected it to be, but pretty much you tie it around your neck, attach it to the mirror, shave, and all the beard shavings fall down onto the bib. That way you don't have a big mess to clean up on the bathroom sink or on the bathroom floor. So I think this could be a way to help people have happier marriages, not having hair all over the place in the bathroom when you're done shaving. And I just so happen to be due for a little beard trimming, so why don't we go ahead and test it out? So first off, there are Velcro strips here. We'll use that to attach it around the neck. Got it connected there. The next step is to use these suction cups, attach these to the mirror, and then you attach this to the suction cups. Now, I actually already had a bad experience. The first time I put one of the suction cups on the mirror, I wanted to move it, and one of the hooks snapped right off. So immediately one of the suction cups broke. Luckily, I do have a spare suction cup because I had something that is used to hang up some razors on the wall in the shower. So I'm just borrowing one of those for now. But it is very unfortunate that I already have to replace one of these suction cups. So I'm going to put the suction cups on the mirror, probably about halfway up. Alright, so now we take these hoops at the bottom of the bib, attach them to the suction cups. Got one of them up. Now I've got the other one up. So there we go, that's how we get the bib attached. So now we're ready to start shaving. Let's see how it goes. So first I'm going to start off with my electric clipper to do the bulk of the beard. Now, I feel like most people don't use a clipper that plugs in. The cord was kind of getting in the way here, but it did still manage to catch most, if not all, of the beard hair. But if you had a battery-powered one, it would definitely be more effective because we wouldn't have this cord kind of getting in the way here. But now I'm going to go ahead and switch to my battery-operated one to do some more of the little fine-tuning trimming of the beard. Alright, that should just about do it for now. So, it did catch a lot of the beard hair. I guess the true test now is to remove the beard bib and see if any got on the sink or the floor. So once you're done, gather it all up like this, take it to the nearest trash can and dispose of the beard clippings. And I'm looking around and I see a few little hairs that kind of escaped on the side here where I had the power cord for my one clipper. But I feel like that's not totally the fault of the beard bib. Like I said before, most people probably use a battery-powered clipper. I just happen to have one that plugs in. So even though it was plugged in and coming in on the side, it did still catch most of the hair. There are just a few little stragglers that fell down on the sink, but overall I'm pretty happy. I do think it was nicer than putting a towel on the sink. I've done that before, covered the entire sink area with a towel and then clean it up with that. But I find the hair still manages to get all over the place even when I do use a towel. But this definitely did a much better job at collecting the hair. There's hardly any hairs laying around the sink. I don't see any on the floor at all. So overall, I'm pretty happy. The suction cup breaking was pretty frustrating, so that was annoying. But overall, the bib itself did catch pretty much all the hair, and I'm confident if I was only using a battery-powered shaver that it would catch all the hair. So yeah, I'd say anybody that's out there that has ever thought about buying a beard bib, and I'm sure there's tons of people out there that have always wanted a beard bib, I would say it's worth picking up. I mean, it's a bib that catches beard hair. It does what it's meant to do. But until next time, this is Webby, not Eddie, signing off.